You guys ready for an unboxing? So excited to be able to unbox this. So if you guys have been following my channel for any amount of time, you know that DTF is a big part of it. So this is the biggest, I'm going to tell you, this is the biggest DTF printer that I now am going to add to my great studio here. So this is, well, let's just see it together. Okay? Okay. And yes, I'm doing this in bare feet because that's how I roll. What do you think it is? What do you think? I don't know if we're going to be able to lift this. I'm pretty sure I maybe should have put the stand together first. Not really sure I'm going to be able to lift this myself, but let's just see. Don't try this at home. But I want you guys to see what's in here. So I'm going to show you. I got to tell you, I saw this before and it looked smaller. This is a 24-inch STS XPD-724. What do all those numbers mean? It means it's a 24-inch DTF printer on a roll. This baby is going to be perfect for production. It's got white. It's got obviously CMYK. You guys, this is going to be awesome. I'm super excited for this. So let's just take a look. Yeah, so I'm going to need to get a helper over here to help me lift this up. But in the meantime, let's see what else we got. It always comes with some kind of a cleaning kit. So as you know, I have multiple DTF printers. I have an Epson, which is a DTF and a DTG. I have a Uninet 100, which I'm not sure if you can see all the way down the end there. That is a 13-inch desktop. I have a Roland BN20D, which is a 20-inch, but has some limitations specifically. I have a Prestige, and now I have this STS, which they all have different uses, right? They all have a different audience. If you are a home crafter, if you are just getting started, this STS is not going to be for you. But if you are ready to scale production, if you're looking for something more reliable, faster, 24-inch, wider, this is going to be a great option. So there's got some clips in here. There's a cleaning paper towel for cleaning the head wiper. All the DTF printers come with these swabs. Not exactly sure what these are, but some type of strap or belt. I have ink, which came just boxed separately. So let's get that out as well. And we will also put together the stand. And then I'm going to have to wait for my helper, aka husband, to come over here and help me lift this thing onto the stand. Okay, so I actually was strong enough to lift this, and I didn't even struggle, onto the table. So now what I'm going to do is unbox all the contents that comes with it. So here we've got some ink. I'm sure there are other supplies. Yes, there's powder, syringe, Ethernet, power cord. I'm guessing this is, yeah, nozzle busting solution. So this is basically a cleaning solution. And then the inks. So I'm going to show you, these look like 440s, 500s. So shake well, all different colors, I'm assuming. Yeah, so white, 2 whites and a cleaner. Let's see what else is in here. Another cleaner, yellow, black, and a magenta and cyan blue. Okay, and then one more box. get rid of that. See what's in this one. Whoa, more ink. Okay, so 2 different size inks, as you can see. These are actually, whoa, these are actually all cleaners. It's very important to keep this STS clean, clearly. Okay, so we got all that. I'm just gonna be putting that to the side for now. Okay, and then I have a sheet here for Flexi DTF, activate your product. This is super important because all of these machines come with software or RIP. And the number one question I get is, how do I install that? Where do I get the license? Different things like that. So this is very, very clear. Not only does it have the software ID listed, it has the activation code, it has a license version, it tells me exactly the website to go to, copy the activation code, paste the code into the activation field. On the Flexi website, click activate in the login section, choose whether you're new or returning. So I have other Flexi softwares. For example, for my Roland BN 220, which is an eco solvent printer, that also uses Flexi, so that I could just sign into the same account and all of my licenses will be there. So this is really important, and this is very, very helpful for new users to get up and going. Okay, so in the next video, what I'm going to do is get this thing set up from start to finish. So all of the inks we'll install the software, we'll get this thing up and going. I would highly recommend, if you are getting this 24-inch STS, that you get a stand. This is a large craft table island, and as you can see, it is taking up the entire thing. It is not completely front to back. It's probably 15 inches deep. But it's a significant machine, a significant, it's heavy. So I would suggest that you get the stand as well. All of the links for all of that stuff are going to be in the description below, so you can get started right away. And of course, there are some bundles that will come with more than others. So out of the box, you might need to get a little bit more. But I'll put all my recommendations in the description below. All right, guys, see ya.